Good morning, students. Our chapter number 1 is going on. In our last class, we had studied how to represent under root 2 on number line. Now, before proceeding further, let me recall it once because now today we will study how to represent under root 3, under root 5 on number line. तो मैं एक बार recall कर दूँ आपको under root 2 के बारे में. First of all, first step is to draw a number line on which all the numbers are spaced equally. Label 0 as A and 1 as B. AB is equal to 1 unit. Make an angle of 90 degree at this point B. Cut an arc of 1 unit. 1 unit के आप arc काटेंगे taking B as center and radius as 1 unit. Or we can keep our compass pointer at B and cut an arc of 1 unit. Label this point as C. Join AC. Now ABC is a right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle we can apply Pythagoras theorem to get third side of right triangle. Third side which one? AC, which is the longest side of right angle triangle because in right angle triangle, side opposite to 90 degree. 90 degree के सामने वाली side is the longest side, which is known as hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem yesterday I told you how to find out AC. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. From there we got AC as under root 2. यानी कि this gap AC is equal to under root 2 units. We have to plot under root 2 on number line. So keep your compass pointer at this point A and open it up to C. Because this length is under root 2 units and cut an arc on number line. आप एक arc cut करेंगे which will cut number line at this point. So this point is under root 2. In this way, yesterday I told you how to represent under root 2 on number line. Now moving ahead, next topic is how to represent under root 3 on number line. Okay, up to under root 2 it is totally same. We'll make a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Label 0 as A and 1 as B. Same as under root 2. Okay. This gap is 1 unit as I told you yesterday also. You can take this gap as 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter. It is up to you. But whatever gap you are taking, you have to write down scale here. आप scale लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. Scale is equal to 1 unit. Is equal to 2 centimeter. If you have considered 1 unit as 2 centimeter, then write 2 centimeter. 3 centimeter है तो वो लिख लीजिए. But that will be considered as 1 unit. Again, next step is same. Make an angle of 90 degree at point B. 60, 120. Bisect the gap. Okay. Cut an arc of 1 unit from B. B से आपने 1 unit की arc cut करी. Label this point as C. Join AC. It is same as under root 2 yet. अभी तक same under root 2 तक कितना same करना है आपको? It is 1 unit, AB is 1 unit, BC is also 1 unit. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC as under root 2 units, which we did yesterday. यहाँ तक I think कोई problem नहीं होगी. AC is equal to under root 2 unit. Now from here you have to keep in mind. Next step is at taking AC as base. AC को base लेते हुए आपको यहाँ पे C पर राइट एंगल बनाना है. ठीक है, अब ये थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए. कीप योर कंपास पॉइंटर एट सी. कट एन आर्क लाइक दिस फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट 60 डिग्री. यहाँ से आपने आर्क डाला 120 डिग्री एंड बाइसेक्ट इट इन दिस वे. सो इट विल गो समवॉट लाइक दिस. ऐसे जाएगा ये. यानी कि टेकिंग कंसीडरिंग एसी एज बेस. एसी को बेस दिया आपने, वर्टेक्स सी का आपने राइट एंगल बनाया है. ओके, जैसे आपने यहाँ बनाया, यहाँ सीधा बनाया तो आपको दिक्कत कम आएगी. बट एसी को बेस लेके आपको बनाना है. प्रॉब्लम यहाँ भी नहीं आएगी, बट थोड़ा ध्यान से काम कीजिएगा. Now again open your compass up to 1 unit. 1 unit अपना compass खोलिए. Keep compass pointer at C and cut an arc. एक arc कट कीजिए in this manner. This gap should be 1 unit. Label this point as D. इस point को D label कीजिए and join AD. AD को join कर दीजिए. In this way, can we say that ACD is a right angled triangle? Right angled at this point C. So ACD triangle में क्या है? Right angle triangle. As in under root 2, ABC was a right angle triangle. In the same way, ACD is also 90 degree. Is also a right angle triangle as angle C is 90 degree. So in triangle ACD, angle ACD equals to 90 degree. So again we can implement Pythagoras theorem in triangle ACD. So by Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. See, in this triangle ACD, right angle के सामने वाली साइड AD है, so AD is hypotenuse. AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. Now keep their values which are known to us. अब देखिए क्या क्या वैल्यू आपको पता है. Do you know what is AD? No. AC in previously I told you AC is under root 2. तो ये कितना था under root 2? So AC can be replaced by under root 2. Square will come as it is plus CD. We cut an arc of 1 unit. हमने 1 unit की arc कट की थी तो ये कितना है 1 unit है. So CD can be replaced by 1. So AD square is equal to under root 2 square is 2 because square root will be cancelled out by square. Do you know what is the meaning of square root symbol? Square root symbol means in exponential form power will be 1 upon 2. Under root sign will be removed and power 1 upon 2 will come. Suppose under root 2 is given. It can also be written as root to the power 1 upon 2. In the same way, how this square is cancelled out by square root? Under root 2 square. Can we write this under root 2 as 2 to the power 1 upon 2? As I told you, square root symbol को जब आप remove करेंगे, then power will be half of the base number. Multiply by this 2, it is power of under root 2, so it will remain as it is. 2 will be cancelled out, so 2 is answer. So in this way we can say square root can be cancelled out by square. Under root 2 square is 2 plus 1 square is 1. So AD square gives 2 plus 1 3. AD square is equal to 3 and AD is equal to square will be transposed to right side, it will convert to root as I told you in previous class. So AD is equal to under root 3 units. Have a look at diagrams. This AD is equal to under root 3 units. Now if you have to plot under root 3 on number line, so how we will plot it on number line? As we plotted under root 2. Keep your compass pointer at A, open it up to D. Why up to D? Because this distance AD is under root 3 units. We got it just now. So taking A as center and AD as radius, cut an arc. आप एक आर्क कट करेंगे, it will come like this. इस तरीके से आएगी आर्क. This point is under root 3. This point will be under root 3 on number line. So in this way we can plot under root 3 on number line. Under root 2 वाला प्रोसेस तो as it is है, बस वो आर्क ड्रॉ नहीं करनी जो यहाँ आर्क ड्रॉ करी थी. Then taking AC as base, AC को बेस मान के point C पे आपने 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाया, प्रोड्यूस किया. Cut an arc of 1 unit from point C. C से आपने 1 unit की आर्क कट करी. So this gap CD is 1 unit. Join AD. After getting right angle triangle ACD, we implemented Pythagoras theorem in it. अपने Pythagoras theorem लगाइए, in which hypotenuse AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. Now keep values which are known to us. AD we need to find out, so AD will come as it is. AC is equal to under root 2 whole square plus CD is equal to 1 whole square. Under root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1, 2 plus 1 3. AD is equal to square will be transposed to right side, it will convert to under root 3. So in this manner we can plot under root 3. Okay. Now what about under root 4? Under root 4 is 2 itself. But if you want to proceed it further, अगर आप इसको आगे proceed करना चाहते हैं, suppose इसी में मैं आपको बता रही हूँ how to plot under root 4. So what we will do? Need not to cut these arcs. This ABC triangle will remain as it is. जो आपने root 2 के लिए draw किया था. Then second triangle is ACD. It will also be drawn as it is. Now this time what we will do? Taking AD as base. इस बार AD को base मानते हुए इस point D पे आपको 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाना है. 60, 120 and 90. It will go like this. तो 90 बन जाएगा यहाँ पे आपके आप. Again cut an arc of 1 unit. 1 unit की arc cut करेंगे आप. Taking D as center, D पे अपने compass point रखा है and cut an arc of 1 unit. Label this point as E and join AE. So triangle ADE is also a right angled triangle. अब इसमें AD is under root 3, ED is 1. Again by applying Pythagoras theorem जब आप solve करेंगे in triangle ADE तो आपको ये side AE मिल जाएगी under root 4. Under root 4 means 2. Now if you want to plot it on number line, keep compass pointer at A and open it up to E. और और जब आप इसको यूं करके आर्क ड्रॉ करेंगे देन ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल लाई एग्जैक्टली एट 2, वो अपने आप एग्जैक्टली 2 पे लाई करेंगे। ओके, वैसे अंडर रूट 4 प्लॉट करना आता है नहीं, बट स्टिल अब आगे आपको प्रोसेस करना है, आपको प्रोसीड करना है बाय अंडर रूट 5। अगर आपको अंडर रूट 5 प्लॉट करना है तो वही एक स्टेप और बढ़ जाएगा। दिस टाइम टेकिंग AE एज बेस, AE को बेस माना, आर्क कट करी 60 120 90, join it, you will get an angle of 90 degree। फिर से cut an arc of 1 unit from E, taking E as center and radius as 1 unit, यानी कि कंपास पॉइंटर E पे रखा, एक 1 यूनिट की आर्क कट करी, that this point is F। join AF, again AFE is a right angle triangle in which AE is under root 4 units, EF is 1 unit। फिर से आप अगर ट्राइंगल AFE में, इन ट्राइंगल AFE अगर हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगाते हैं तो वी विल गेट AF स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू EF स्क्वायर प्लस AE स्क्वायर। तो AF स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू EF इज 1 स्क्वायर प्लस AE इज अंडर रूट 4 स्क्वायर। सॉल्व इट, 1 स्क्वायर इज 1, अंडर रूट 4 स्क्वायर इज 4, तो यह आ जाएगा 4 + 1 5। AF is equal to under root 5, स्क्वायर को जो ट्रांसपोज करोगे रूट में आ जाएगा। So this time AF is under root 5. Now if you need to plot under root 5 on number line, taking A as center, open compass up to AF, compass pointer A पे रखा, AF तक ओपन करके आपने R काटी, तो इस तरीके से यहाँ पॉइंट आ जाएगा, that will be under root 5. In this way ये it is an endless process। आपको अगर under root 6 प्लॉट करना है तो you आगे फिर से ये ट्रायंगल आ जाएगा, ऐसे ये प्रोसेस कंटिन्यू चलता रहेगा। You will get a spiral, ऐसे बढ़ता रहेगा। In this way you get a spiral। तो इस तरीके से आप कोई सा भी नंबर प्लॉट कर सकते हैं, but this method is a bit lengthy। अपने पास एक दो मेथड्स और हैं, एक मेथड और है जिसकी हेल्प से अपन को अंडर रूट 5 सपोज एग्जाम में आ गया रिप्रेजेंट अंडर रूट 10 ऑन नंबर नहीं, तो अगर ये प्रोसेस करोगे तो बहुत लंबा प्रोसेस हो गया, बहुत ही टेडियस और लेंथी प्रोसेस हो जाएगा, आप लोगों के लिए इजी नहीं है। So we have one more method which we will discuss in our next class, but your today's work is to revise it again and do it yourself, because ये प्रोसेस आपके बिल्कुल नया है और ये 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाने में आप कहीं ना कहीं मिस्टेक करेंगे, तो आपको कम से कम 2-3 बार ट्राई करना पड़ेगा, देन ओनली यू विल गेट इट। तो अप टू अंडर रूट 5 आपको ड्रॉ करना है, अंडर रूट 2, अंडर रूट 3, अंडर रूट 4, अंडर रूट 5, अप टू हियर यू हैव टू ट्राई। ओके, ट्राई इट वंस so that you will be able to learn कि अगर हमें यही मेथड, अगर हमें अंडर रूट 3 प्लॉट करना है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, 2 ट्रायंगल्स तो बनाने हैं, इजी है काम करना। लेकिन जैसे जैसे नंबर्स बढ़ेंगे तो आपको इस प्रोसेस में काफी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आएंगे, तो उसके लिए आपके पास एक मेथड और है which we will discuss in our next class, so please revise it, recall it and do it yourself।